Finally, you're on that much-needed break from work. Or maybe you're just off duty after hours. But your always working KrispCall business phone keeps buzzing you into distraction, especially when work calls aren't in your agenda. But what if there's an urgent client call or a critical issue you can't afford to miss? Staying completely inactive might cost you more than a peaceful moment. That's why KrispCall's call forwarding feature gives you a smarter way to stay reachable on your virtual phone numbers only when it matters. And you can set it up with KrispCall in just a few steps. Here's how. Log into your KrispCall account and open the virtual phone number settings you need. Go to the incoming call strategy and switch it to forward calls. Add a number you prefer to forward calls to. Save your changes, and you're good to go. Wasn't that simple, easy, and fast? Not just off hours, it even fits best when you're working out in the market and missing calls isn't an option. Thanks to KrispCall, you can now stay fully present whenever needed. Whether you're away from work or working on a site, you have it covered. Are you new here? Explore KrispCall.com to discover its advanced telephony features for your business today.